All right, we're gonna flow with a little something right here. 9-6. Something we worked on while we were setting up today. Listen, man, it's your boy, the Late Bloom. I want to thank y'all for tuning in. Feel me? All my homies in the house. I'm having a good old time. All we need is a piece of chicken, low-fat chicken. Do they make that? With some hot sauce.
Oh, but we got hot sauce.
Yeah. Let's do it. Let's get into it.
All of my cards been dealt. All of my cards been dealt. All of my cards been dealt. Hey, all of my cards been dealt. I played my hand, started chasing them grands, y'all time. Hey, I'm breaking down real slow for you. All my cards been dealt. Hey, all of my cards been dealt. I played my hand, started chasing them grands. Y'all better take time when you shuffle up. Y'all better look real ruffled up. Yeah.
Can I speak to him?
Go ahead.
So check this out, man. Ladies, feel free to inbox me, text me, say whatever. Just be honest in your emotion, man. I've seen so many things. I've been around the world. You know, it's unfair for men to say, oh, you the most beautifulest thing in the world, and they ain't been nowhere.
Okay. Tell her, man.
But I have, you know what I mean? And I've seen and stood before some of God's greatest feats.
All right.
You know, mocha almond,
Yeah. Mocha.
honey caramel,
Honey caramel.
even a little swirl,
Hey, I got a little something for that.
some chocolate deluxe.
Yeah.
Cinnamon spice
Hey,
out here, man.
Hey, Seven. Hey, she might have been the baddest thing I ever seen. This ain't a nightmare, but it ain't a dream. I'm not a fan of fairy tales or them diamond rings. Ain't no happily ever afters, this ain't what it seems. Girl, you might have been the baddest thing I ever seen. Them slick curly hair, real southern thing. You been hiding all winter, girl, I'm glad it's spring. The sun hit you just right, and you just might be my type, yeah.
So what it was, 9-6,
Tell us.
I was staring into the face of sheer sweetness. And it occurred to me, she knew she was sweet, but she didn't know how good she tasted.
Hey, man.
So
Tell me about it.
she was a blackberry, chocolate cherry, honey brown, cinnamon sweet, maple syrup, cocoa butter, brown sugar masterpiece. You did.
Yeah.
Red berry, chocolate cherry, honey brown, cinnamon sweet,
I'm gonna tell her again.
maple
man.
syrup,
I'm gonna tell her one more
cocoa
time.
butter, brown sugar
Hey,
masterpiece.
she might have been the baddest thing we ever seen. This ain't a nightmare, but it ain't a dream. I'm not a fan of fairy tales, them diamond rings. This ain't no happily ever afters, this is what it seems. Girl, you might have been the baddest thing I ever seen. Them slick curly hair, real southern thing. All winter, it's spring. Hey, I'll tell her one more time. Well, you might have been the baddest thing I ever seen.
Hey,
This ain't a nightmare, but it ain't a dream. I'm not a fan of fairy tales and diamond rings. Ain't no happily ever afters, this ain't what it seems. Girl, you might have been the baddest thing I ever seen. Them slick curly hair, real southern thing.
hey,
You been hiding all winter, girl, I'm glad it's spring. The sun hit you just right, and you just might be my type, but I'm cool on
with
you.
her mahogany, opal, ebony hue,
Yeah,
behold her beauty divine.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Sugar-coated, candy candy kisses, Calmay, kiwi, lime.
Alright.
Time stands still, waters chill, winds whisper when she speaks. Harmonic jazz, simply poetic melodies magnifique. Her silhouette was like Egyptian sand, each curve unique. African queen, ghetto goddess, elegant empress, elite. Indeed, she was a blackberry, chocolate cherry, honey brown, cinnamon sweet, maple syrup, cocoa butter, brown sugar masterpiece.
She's something like the baddest thing we ever seen. This ain't a nightmare, but it ain't a dream. I'm not a fan of fairy tales and diamond rings. This ain't no happily ever after, this ain't what it seems. Girl, you might have been the baddest thing I ever seen. Them slick, curly hair, real southern theme. You been hot and all winter, girl, I'm glad it's spring. Yeah, the sun hit you just right, but you just might be my type, yeah.
And I was caught.
Yeah.
Caught in the vortex of her virtus virago velvet voice, her lips luminescent like flame. She was jazzy, sassy, stylish and classy, cool, darling, diva, Miss Stein. A vision of her was trumpet, and her walk was clarinet, and her attitude was so on beat it had to be drum set. Her scent was flute. Her clothes were sax. Her music filled the room. She was the centerpiece of my visual feast, the rare flower in bloom. And her intellect was so on point, she had definitely paid her dues. And if that's not enough for accessories, she had on a badass pair of shoes. She was a red berry, chocolate cherry, honey brown, cinnamon sweet, maple syrup, cocoa butter, brown sugar masterpiece.
Girl, you the baddest thing I ever seen. Might be the baddest thing I ever seen. Girl, you the baddest thing I ever seen. You the baddest thing I ever seen. Oh, girl, you the baddest thing I ever seen. Yeah, you the baddest thing I ever seen. Big 9. Worldwide. A7. I'm liking it.